Imagine owning a piece of the future, where AI and quantum computing redefine how businesses operate. What if I told you there's one stock that could soar to a $3.3 trillion market cap by 2025, putting it in the exclusive club of Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia? That stock is Alphabet, the parent company of Google, and today, we're diving deep into why analysts think it could be one of the best AI investments right now.
Hi.
In today's video, we're going to explore why Alphabet Google is one of the best AI stocks to buy before it potentially skyrockets to a $3 trillion valuation. Welcome to the Finance Savvy. If you enjoy in-depth market analysis, stock predictions, and tech investment insights, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Now, let's dive in. Why Alphabet is poised for massive growth. Alphabet is already a tech powerhouse, but Morgan Stanley analysts see a bull case scenario where the stock jumps 38% to $270 per share in 2025. That surge would push its market cap to $3.3 trillion, making it one of the most valuable companies in the world. But is this prediction realistic? Let's break it down. Alphabet's two biggest growth engines, digital advertising and cloud computing, are booming. Digital ad spending is expected to grow at 10% annually through 2028, while the cloud computing industry is projected to expand at an even faster 19% annual rate. Google is deeply entrenched in both sectors and is doubling down on AI to gain a competitive edge. Google's AI-powered ad dominance. Advertising has always been Google's bread and butter, and its AI advancements are making it even stronger. In 2024, Google is expected to generate $188 billion in ad revenue, making up 20% of the global digital ad market. So, what's fueling this growth? AI-powered search. Google Search is incorporating generative AI summaries, improving search experiences, increasing user engagement, and ultimately boosting ad revenue. Meanwhile, YouTube ads are benefiting from AI-driven automation, helping businesses create highly targeted campaigns with minimal effort. And let's not forget the rise of competitors like Amazon and Walmart entering the digital ad space. Google is countering this threat by leveraging AI-powered tools that help advertisers generate better-performing campaigns faster than ever. Google Cloud's AI superpower. While advertising is a cash cow, Google's real growth opportunity lies in Google Cloud, which is rapidly expanding thanks to AI. Google Cloud held 13% of the global cloud market in Q3 2024, up from 11% the previous year, and is gaining momentum.
Why?
Because AI-driven services are in huge demand. Businesses are using Google's AI infrastructure and advanced models, like the Gemini AI platform, to build everything from predictive analytics tools to generative AI applications. In fact, Sundar Pichai, Alphabet CEO, stated that AI is helping Google win bigger cloud deals, deepen customer adoption, and accelerate revenue growth. With enterprise AI adoption on the rise, Google Cloud could be a game-changer in Alphabet's long-term strategy. Quantum computing. Alphabet's next frontier? But here's where things get even more exciting. Quantum computing. Alphabet's quantum computing division, Google Quantum AI, recently made a breakthrough with its Willow quantum chip. This chip drastically reduces errors as it scales, solving problems in minutes that would take traditional computers 10 septillion years. Now, I know what you're thinking, quantum computing is still in its early days. But major tech players, including Alphabet, IBM, and Microsoft, are racing to develop the first commercially viable quantum computer. If Google cracks the code first, it could revolutionize fields like drug discovery, cybersecurity, and AI model training, potentially adding hundreds of billions to its valuation in the next decade. Is Alphabet stock a smart buy right now? Let's talk numbers. Alphabet currently trades at around 22 times forward earnings, which is considered a very reasonable valuation, especially for a company expected to grow earnings by 16.5% annually over the next 3 years. Even if Alphabet doesn't hit Morgan Stanley's ambitious $3.3 trillion target by 2025, its AI-driven growth in advertising, cloud computing, and quantum computing makes it a fantastic long-term investment. And there's one more wild card: regulatory uncertainty. The U.S. Justice Department is pursuing an antitrust case against Google, seeking to break up its dominance in search. If regulators force Alphabet to divest its Chrome browser, it could impact search traffic. However, historical precedent suggests a full breakup is unlikely. If Alphabet successfully navigates these challenges, investors could see even greater upside potential. Final thoughts. Should you invest? So, is Alphabet the best AI stock to buy right now? If you're looking for a tech giant with solid fundamentals, AI leadership, and strong growth potential, it's definitely worth considering. With AI revolutionizing every industry and Google at the forefront, the company is well-positioned to deliver massive long-term returns. Whether or not it hits $3 trillion in 2025, one thing is certain: Alphabet is a stock to watch. In our last video, or a few seconds ago, we explored the revolutionary potential of AI and quantum computing boom. Why Alphabet, Google, the parent company of Google, could hit $3 trillion by 2025. We're diving deep into why analysts think it could be one of the best AI investments right now. And now we'll dive into Rigetti Computing, RGTI. But first, imagine a world where computers solve problems in seconds that would take today's most powerful supercomputers thousands of years. Sounds like science fiction? Not anymore. The quantum computing revolution is happening right now. And while NVIDIA's CEO Jensen Huang recently said that this technology is still decades away, NVIDIA is already investing heavily in it. But there's another key player in this space: Rigetti Computing, RGTI. This company has big ambitions, a clear path to profitability, and major government contracts backing its research. Could Rigetti be the next big AI-driven stock? Hi. In today's video, we're going to explore Rigetti Computing's journey toward profitability, its funding strategy, and why it could be one of the most exciting tech investments of the decade. Welcome to the Finance Savvy. If you love staying ahead in tech investing, hit that subscribe button for more insights. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Now, let's dive in. Quantum computing, a race to the future. For years, quantum computing has been seen as the holy grail of technology. The potential is massive. Point 1. Revolutionizing AI with faster data processing. Point 2. Solving complex problems in medicine, cryptography, and finance. Point 3. Unlocking trillion-dollar markets in cloud computing and beyond. And while some say we're decades away, others, like NVIDIA, are investing billions into making quantum computing a reality much sooner. In fact, NVIDIA just announced its first-ever Quantum Day, happening during its GTC 2025 event. That's a major signal that the biggest names in tech are taking quantum seriously. So, where does Rigetti Computing fit into this picture? Rigetti's path to profitability. Rigetti Computing is a pure-play quantum computing company that's been quietly building out its technology while securing key government contracts. CEO Subodh Kulkarni recently sat down with Yahoo Finance to discuss the company's future. Here's what we learned. 1. Break-even by 2026 to 2027. Rigetti expects to hit cash flow break-even in 3 to 4 years. That's sooner than most analysts expected. 2. Strong cash reserves. The company has enough funding to operate for the next few years, even without raising additional capital. 3. Government-backed growth. Instead of diluting shareholders with stock offerings, Rigetti is focusing on securing government contracts to fund its expansion. This means Rigetti is playing the long game, securing stable revenue sources without relying on risky stock dilution. Why government contracts matter. One of Rigetti's biggest advantages? Its deep ties with the U.S. government. Quantum computing has huge implications for national security, defense, and intelligence. That's why the U.S. government is investing heavily in quantum research, and Rigetti is right in the middle of it. Point 1. DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, contracts. Point 2. NSF, National Science Foundation, funding. Point 3. Partnerships with top universities and research labs. These contracts provide a stable revenue stream that could fund Rigetti's research for years to come. And let's be real, when the U.S. government backs a technology, big things happen. Is Rigetti a good investment? Now, let's talk about what investors really want to know. Is Rigetti a buy? Here's the case for investing now. 1. Early mover advantage. Rigetti is one of the few pure-play quantum stocks on the market. 2. Profitability in sight. Unlike many startups, Rigetti has a clear plan to break even. 3. Strategic partnerships. With major government contracts, its revenue potential is more secure. 4. Quantum hype is growing. With NVIDIA pushing into quantum, investor interest is set to explode. Of course, there are risks. Quantum computing is still in early stages, and Rigetti is competing with deep-pocketed giants like Google, IBM, and Microsoft. But if you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward play in AI and quantum computing, Rigetti might be one of the most exciting tech stocks to watch. Again, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Finance Savvy for more investing insights. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help. Until next time, happy investing.